Hey guys, if you're looking for a smaller weapon light, this is one of the best weapon lights you're gonna get. This is fairly new on the market. Olight is not, but the light is. Olight has been making flashlights and weapon lights for law enforcement for a long time now. As soon as I took it out of the package and started using it, this became one of my favorites because of the size, the power and practicality of it and how it fits. So we're gonna put it on a Glock 19 and you're gonna see how it fits and how easy to install, how small the light is. In the box you're gonna find a very innovative charging tool also. If you're not familiar with it, it's a magnet. All lights are becoming, the chargers are becoming like magnet and magnet more. So you simply see the bottom and then right here, all it does is just attaches to each other, just a magnet move. And that's it. The light goes red when you're charging and it turns green once it's fully charged. There's a couple adjustment bars. You're not gonna need it. If you're using it on a Glock, it's fairly simple. The only thing matters is, if you can see the groove on my Glock right there, see that groove? If your groove is deeper, you can use another one right here or wider. There's another bar that can fit in that groove right there. But out of the package, the groove on this right here, where the fitting is, yeah, you can see it better right there. See that groove? The bar sits right into the groove on Glock, perfectly out of the box. This thing is really tiny and you'll be amazed what it does for that size. This is the obviously you can see how little this thing is, like barely 2.5 inches maybe. It's 2 inches in the body and then the buttons are extending out like another 1/4 inch or so. Very easy to install. It's spring assisted right here. On this side you're gonna see an arm. I push it out. When I push it out, you can see that this part of the light just moved out. You can see the difference right there. I'm gonna close it in and I'm gonna open it up right there. You can see that it comes out like 1/8 of an inch, and all you do is slide it right at the front of your Glock and it fits perfect. All you do is just close this and that's your fitting right there. It's flush with the trigger protection right here, the frame, and these are your buttons. That button right there, and there's another button on this side. Perfect fit for it, and very easy to operate. Like my finger's right on the button. I'm already operating full. If you press it one time, it stays completely on until you press engage the button again. So if you do a short one, that turns it on permanently until you engage it again. And if you press and hold it, you can let it go. That's like instantly you want that light. So it's about 400 lumens on the highest point, obviously, and it really lives up to the hype. I'm gonna turn the lights off and so you can see what the distance is and how bright this thing gets. Alright guys, it's pitch black. I'm about 10-12 yards. So here we got, boom. Short press and let go. It's a permanent, it's on. And then if I hold it a little longer and let go, if I hold it a little longer and let go, it doesn't have the strobe effect. The Big Brother has it. So this is about 10-12 yards. I mean, this is plenty light, you can see, and it will get you blind temporarily for sure. Tiny light, a lot of power, a lot of battery time, very easy to holster. So it's impact proof from 1 meter I know I'm not planning on dropping it, but it is impact proof. And then the LED is really small but good quality. One charge should get you right over an hour. If you want to max it out, it's about 70-75 minutes you're gonna get out of this. It doesn't get hot immediately, but it does get warm. Like I said, there are the two buttons right there. You engage with your left or right thumb. If you hit the button one short time, it'll stay on. And if you hit and hold the button, see, I let it go, it's like on-demand light. But if you hit it short and let it go, it stays on. One other thing is it's IPX6 rated, which means other than immersing in water, you're gonna be just fine with heavy rain, a lot of splashes and all that. I will put it on the weapon now. Go ahead and try it for you out so you have a better idea what it looks like. Very easy to holster it, a smaller holster. The footprint is like, this is tiny. This is very low profile.